Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Sean TV. You feel me? We back at it again with another video today, y'all. You feel me? As y'all can see, it is pretty early in the morning. It's like 7 o'clock, you feel me? We got the big cat out, you feel me? Looking real mean, you feel me? With them red lights, you feel me? For y'all who just tuning in, this big mama, you feel me? The finest cat in Alabama. Put some respect on it. No doubt. But y'all, in this video, we finna be doing a POV. We probably just gonna be sliding corners and stuff. I ain't did a video where I've been sliding in a while, so you feel me? That's what we gonna do today. I do wanna show y'all boys something. For y'all who got Hellcat, Scat Pass, Mustang, Camaros, and y'all be cutting up, you feel me? You know, trying to keep a low profile from the police, you feel me? Ducking the cameras. Y'all boy need to invest in y'all one of these, you feel me? The stealth license plate cover. You feel me? You just wire everything up. You got a remote. You press A. You feel me? Your license plate showing. Press that little bit again. That bit gone. You feel me? But enough of all the talk, y'all. We're gonna go ahead and get into the video, y'all. If y'all don't mind, please like, comment, subscribe, hit that post notification bell so y'all are tuned in whenever I drop more bangers. You feel me? And without further ado, we finna go ahead and hop in Big Mama. All right, y'all, so we in the whip. Let's go ahead and crank that bad boy up. You feel me? Go ahead and put that seatbelt on so I don't forget. We also need to say a prayer real quick. Lord, please make sure the police don't get after me because I cannot run them with these weak-ass tires that we got on the back. You feel me? You know what? Nah, we can't do that. That's disrespectful. We just gonna pop that bit in sport mode. Sorry, guys. I ain't mean to say that. I'm tweaking this early in the morning. My brain ain't started. But the car started though. You feel me? We gotta be careful going over this little hump. You feel me? Y'all know Big Mama on them lowering springs. Big Mama don't play all that off-roading and stuff. Let's see what we gonna do. We gonna bust us a little left. But we gotta make sure ain't no cars coming out that bit. Make sure ain't no feds out here either. That's the first little turn, y'all. I ain't go too crazy. What we gonna do? We're gonna bust this little, whatever this called. I'm a little, what's the word? I'm a little soggy, I ain't gonna cap. I ain't been sliding corners in a while, y'all. And I really ain't trying to go too crazy because these weak tires I bought, like, I don't know what type of tires they gave me this time, but I'm talking about the rubber was melting off these boys, no cap. Usually the tires I be getting from the Mexican, they be lasting a little, you feel me? It's just really like, it look like I've been sliding over rocks. It's like, it just knocked chunks out of the tires or something. I don't really know. So it's kind of weird. We had to make a little U-turn, you feel me? It ain't that good back that way, you feel me? But we do got to be real careful. Watch out for 12. You feel me? Your boy munging in that bit. You feel me? Little mungy action. I could have went, if it went on train track, I would have went all the way down the block with this bit. No battery. But yeah, I forgot how fun it is sliding corners. Like, it make you feel alive, you feel me? It get your blood rushing, you feel me? It get you in your happy place. It's just when you have to buy some more tires, that put you in a not so happy place. What the hell? What was that? Oh, that was that train. I thought it was I don't know. I thought it was a attack helicopter behind me. I heard something that sounded crazy. Oh! Yeah, I'm finna invent something. I need to invent like a police UAV radar. You feel me? Where I can go on like Apple Maps and it show me where the police is. That'll be fire. If any of y'all scientists watching, try to make your boy some type of police UAV radar. You feel me? So your boy can be, you feel me, keep a low profile. We got the tag covered up though, so we should be good, twin. It's just if the police get behind us, we're gonna have to do the dash. But I don't want to do the dash because these, like I said, these tires right here, they be spinning at 70 miles per hour. What's that noise? It's a turkey or a rooster trying to wake niggas up. I know it early in the morning. Hopefully y'all boy can see real good. What y'all boy know about mungeing? I really be real nervous when I be making these videos, y'all. No cap. Look at my boy right here. Yeah, nigga, you see this cat? That nigga see that cat, he like, bro, I ain't never seen nobody do that before. I've never in my life seen nobody do nothing like that before. Yeah, nigga, we the first. We the first to do it. No doubt. We gotta go slow to the little wet spot, you feel me? So if you drive over water in the cat and you think you finna be pushing that bitch, the road gonna have another thing for you, twin. Your ass gonna hit a pole. I want to do something crazy, but I'm gonna have to turn around to do it, you feel me? I want to do something that I never did before, you feel me? But I tried. But the reason why I didn't get a chance to do it right was because a car was coming, you feel me? I want to try to, it's a little turn up here. I want to try to drift that whole turn. I just be nervous, you feel me? We gonna try it though. Y'all boy, pray before I hit this turn. Look at that dog. Right there. What up, twin? That nigga scared. Don't be scared of this cat, nigga. You a dog, nigga. Can't be scared of this little cat. But this ain't no regular little cat, nigga. This top of the food chain, nigga. This on top more than a lion. No doubt. Come on, 18-wheeler, bro. You got it, twin. Ain't nobody finna do nothing crazy. I'm finna do something crazy, but you feel me? Ain't nobody else finna do nothing crazy. You feel me? My tires wet, I can tell. That bit already trying to get active. Let me see y'all. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn around, you feel me? And I'm gonna try to hit that little turn that we were just at, you feel me? Brand new brakes, but I guess the rotors, something ain't right. And I ain't figured it out. Let's see if the car coming. Yeah, I really had it, but I ain't want that damn dog to get in the way, y'all. I ain't gonna count. I don't want to hit no animal, you feel me, and hurt it, you feel me. We don't do stuff like that. Plus, if I hit that dog, that bitch gonna break the whole bottom of my bumper anyway. But you feel me, I got it now. You feel me? Thanks to my boy Hello, Jensen. I've been watching that boy videos, you feel me? Trying to learn how to, you feel me, cut up. Who y'all think the best Hellcat drifter is? Hello, Jensen, what's the other nigga name? City Boy? Them the top Hellcat drivers. I feel like, in my opinion, them boys be going crazy. Like, they be sliding on like mountain roads and stuff where if you mess up, nigga, you flying out the mountain, you done for. You gonna have to get cremated. That's how bad over fall that shit gonna be. Y'all hit on pops, you feel me? Stock tune, you feel me? That's just how the cat is, you feel me? The cat is gonna pop. They gonna pop they little no doubt. I can't slide this turn though right here. The road to, you feel me, unorthodox. We ain't trying to, you feel me, knock the differential out that bitch trying to slide, you feel me? Y'all, I'm also trying to make more videos like my previous one. Like, you feel me, where I link up, you feel me, with people. You feel me, we race, you feel me, we do, you know, some lit content. Some lit different type of content, you feel me? I'm trying to find me another ZL1 race, because I did race one, but I wasn't recording because it just happened, like, you feel me? My boy pulled up on the side of me, he started, you feel me, downshifting, so I had to run it. I won the first one, you feel me? We lost the second one because I was spinning too bad. But you feel me? Yeah. What we finna do? Oh my God. I love these might be my favorite videos to make, y'all. Like sliding like corners, and you feel me, doing videos like this. These are my funnest videos, no cap. We just gotta watch out for 12. That's it. Also, y'all, in the comments, let me know what's y'all favorite type of content. Like, let me know what type of videos y'all want to see me make. What's y'all favorite type of videos that I currently make, you feel me? Talk to me in the comments, you feel me? I'm probably finna hit this little road again, you feel me, one more time, and that's gone. Then I'm gonna wrap the video up, y'all. I thought they were the police in the cut. Turn that bit around. Forget them niggas right there. They can wait. If you in the cat, we got special privileges. Yeah, this is the last slide we finna do for the video, y'all. Hopefully, Midfield police ain't. Well, you know what? We gonna beat that out. niggas. Oh, we make niggas pull over when we come down the street, twin. They should already know, y'all. When y'all see that Sun TV banner on the windshield, niggas just know I'm certified when it comes to this slime shit. No doubt. I ain't finna hit nobody. But you feel me? That's gonna wrap it up for this video, y'all. You feel me? Let me know what type of videos y'all boys want to see from me. You feel me? And we scrape over every bump. But let me know what type of videos y'all want to see from me. You feel me? Do y'all like these videos? These y'all favorites? I'm trying to get y'all boy what y'all want. You feel me? And I'm trying to be as consistent as I can be. You feel me? I'm trying to be different from the other YouTubers. You feel me? Sean TV, most consistent nigga on YouTube. But that's gonna wrap it up, y'all. Make sure y'all boy leave a like, comment, subscribe, hit that post notification bell, all that good stuff. You feel me? That help me out, and it also help y'all boys out to know whenever I post. You feel me? And also, let's get this video to 200 likes. Let's see y'all boy can make that happen. I think y'all can. You feel me? But let's see if we get this video to 200 likes. And until next time, y'all, I'm out. Peace.